There is a legend born long ago about a wicked man no one knows when it unraveled. Six innocent little souls. The souls found bodies, the bodies started to move. Some say they still walk the whole thing from view. I got a secret that I am here to tell you. That place is the scary place in all the stories. This world's a scary place where now monsters just chase bigger hands for grabbing a hold. We were lost to foul play, but we got an upgrade. Lots more teeth for eating you whole. Here comes another chapter. Your heart is beating faster, 'cause you're the one we're after. The nice and bright is full. Thank you for bringing us home. Like you just playing a game. That's when the wicked man led us astray without a warning. Our lives have been rearranged. As for our story, the story's not over yet. There's still one secret left to be said. Tonight when you are safely tucked into your bed, close all the doors that you want. We're already in your head. This world's a scary place where now monsters just chase bigger hands for grabbing a hold. We were lost to foul play, but we got an upgrade. Lots more teeth for eating you whole. Here comes another chapter. Your heart is beating faster, 'cause you're the one we're after. The nights and bright is full. Thank you for bringing us home.